people, you don't take. I just want to say thank you all for celebrating me on my birthday. Those who will be saying they wish me well, those who will not wish me well, those who will post my picture, those who will not post my picture. You know, I just want to say thank you very much. The way you take celebrating us, so God will still celebrate you. You know, some don't they call me, Agbon, so what did they happen? You don't enter house. What did happen? Some they send me message, some they, you know, they write me, you know, some they call me. Thank you very much for your care. I don't enter house, just that I just get little project where we say I just quickly handle. I just want to say thank you and I celebrate you all. Today I just want to give, you know, one story where we say I just see. This video I say me I just quickly talk. And sorry for the noise for background, just that where my studio they renovate house there, and you know, if I say me I allow them finish before I will do something, it might take a year, it might take 5 months, it might take 6 months. Understand? I just say me I do it, but I know so you will still understand everything where I they talk. You know, when I come across this video of one particular pastor in Africa country, I was so touched. This one are the kind of thing where God say me what they do. I love what the pastor do. One boy probably just go church, go beg, at least for food. At least if let me say 20 euro or $20 or 1,000 naira just to eat. You get what the pastor do. Where he go touch you, the way they touch me. I want to see the video. Essentially. Video, it touch you now. See, these are the kind of things where God say me pastors they do. You know, the thing they sweet me. Can't even be like say me self go. Just imagine the way pastor just even they pack all the offering, tithe and offering people pay. He won't even give out your marriage ring. Understand? He won't even give out God, carry all the church, give the boy, make the boy even carry and come out. That is the kind of heart where God want make we get. Some people there. You see this giving, You see this giving. Now back here they will. Some pastor they will turn Bible upside. Notice they want to talk. Bible, God said, feed my flocks. Somebody don't tell me. You can't be a staff of First Bank and you are going to Echo Bank to receive salary. That is Arab nonsense. Now waiting destroy Nigeria today. You understand? You know, we are 2 months. If you say that we no pass, see your mate. I still don't do on social media career. At least you don't give a better name and even give the name of the church name. At least maybe we try the touch life. At least if now one person you go feel change. You can imagine the amount where they give that boy now. If the boy invests and well, the boy destiny don't change. The boy generation don't change. Some pastors they now for them very greedy people. Now they go they liquidate you, but they don't go like to spend. Most of them they pay title, but I know I just to go there. I beg, try as much as possible to touch a life. Touch a life. Bible talks say Bible talks say, let brotherly love continue. And it could say, do not be forgetful to entertain stranger, for unaware some have entertained angels. Sometimes you don't go know whether or God even come. You understand? You want to say, so. Bible say, faith my fly. You cannot be a staff of Zenith Bank. You're not going to First Bank to receive salary. Yeah, quote. Now what in Bible mean be that one? We just have to, have this kind of generous mind, generous heart to to love people. I don't want to talk Jare, wool up, man, wool up to that man of God. I bet me subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram, follow me on my Facebook page, Agbon's Concept, and God will bless you.